In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, we'd like to show you how to open or close a scene or a clip or an entire project using an expanding or shrinking circle or ellipse. We have a tutorial showing you how to do this using masks. However, we've found another way to do that for those of you who have a recent version of PowerDirector, and it's the ultimate version. That contains an extra set of transitions that will make this very easy. What I'm going to do first of all is play a few seconds of our clip here, and we have apparently a drone shot coming up a river. Let's assume that what we'd like to do is go ahead and open or close this with an expanding or shrinking circle or ellipse. Here's the easy way to do it for ultimate owners. I'm going to go into my transition room. I can press the F8 key or click on the icon on the left with the lightning bolt. Then I'm going to go down and go to my subcategory of ProDad and take the Edius transition. Here I'm going to start with it and drop it right on my track. Now nothing seems to happen, but I have to edit it. So I double click on it, and then that opens this window. Now I have to click on the button on the top that says Standalone Effect. That will get me to all my options. Now unfortunately this edit screen is not resizable, but I want to go into Volume 2 and the Alpha Effects and then the circle. And you can already see how this is going to give you the kind of look that you want. I'm going to also click now on the mixer in the bottom below the preview screen, and that gives me other options I have regarding this particular effect. Now the only thing I'm going to change right now is I'm going to make my sharpness up to 100%. We could go into other details and I'll let you consider how to do that yourself. But we'll click on OK. And then I'll click on OK again. And now if I begin to play my movie, it starts out with that expanding circle. If I'd like it to take longer, I just change the duration. I can go back again to the beginning and play it again, and now it opens at a different pace. But it's really simple to do that. Now I did not have a transition of a shrinking circle, just an expanding one, but let me show you how easy it is to do that. Go back to my Edius transition, put it at the end of the clip, or it could be the end of a project. Double click on it, click Standalone Effect again, go to Volume 2, Alpha Effects, Circle, and now I'm going to click on that mixer again. This time I'm going to uncheck Invert Graphic, and now it's the opposite. It shrinks in at the end. Without making any other adjustments, I'll click on OK and OK again. And then when we go ahead and finish looking at the clip, it will all of a sudden shrink down and say goodbye. So that's a pretty simple way to apply a very effective effect if you happen to have a recent version of PowerDirector that is the ultimate version with the Edius transitions.